Hello, this is Kulli Patel. Today I am showing my approach to solve the LeetCode problem number 520, which is detect the capital. About this problem, is saying you can read with here. We define a usage of a capital in a word to be right when one the following cases are held. If all letters are capital, like this, you can see here this is USA and all the characters are capital. Okay, and you can see is the second scenario, which is all the letters in the word are not capital, like this here lit code all the letters is lowercase, and you can see is the third scenario will be letter is the capital and the another one is in lowercase. So this is a three scenario is given by the lit code. We if this scenario is the given by the lit code is matched, then we return a true. Otherwise, we return false. Let's going on the code to solve this problem. And first of all, I'm creating a variable which is a count a capital. I'm creating a variable which is take the count of the capital character, as well. I'm also creating a count for lowercase character, which is initial value will be 0. Both are initially 0. I'm creating a for loop for it, which is travel on the character on the word of string, which is word in by given by the record. And I'm checking here if the character will be less than equal to 65, greater than equal to, I'm greater than equal to 65, and then character is less than equal to 90. It is 65 and 90 will be the value of SI value of a lower uppercase character. So I am writing the condition here for counting the when I'm increment the value. If it's found to be capital, then I increment their value, and else is if not a capital, then I count lower with increment value lowercase here. Uh, as you can see, for loop is completed, then the value we found how many capital letter in the string and how many lower character in the string. And first of all, I'm creating here a condition which is follow. First of all, I'm checking if a count cap is equal to 1, and I am on another condition which end condition along with which is if first is count variable is count cap is 1, and if a word of 0 is also, I'm like creating a bracket which is not confusion between the conditions. So if it is character will be greater than 65 and less, and the word of 0 will be less than equal to 90, then we return this condition uh, handle this third scenario. You can see here this is the third scenario where we have first character is the capital and the another will be the lower character. So I am writing here is the count after the for loop is the count value of a capital will be 1, and then first character and there also first character will be the capital, then we return true here. And after I am writing a else if condition here, which is handle handle. I am showing you which is handle two condition, which is this this condition. How could I think about that? If I am taking here count cap equal to 0, and I am writing or condition and which is also a count low, which is also equal to 0. I'm writing here a or condition. If one of them is equal to 0, then another one is most of the length of the string, then it's completely is all the word is lowercase or uppercase. As you can see, this condition are although these both conditions are also fulfilled in this condition. So I return here also return true here. Uh, Along with this, both the condition are false, then we also return here a false here. This is the logic of my code. Let's check logic of this code is working for this. for the scenarios or not. Let's check it is working or not. Here what's the problem in this code? Here is oh yes, I'm finding the mistake. Here is the one simple bracket is missing, so it's giving a error. So I'm running again this code. It is working or not? Yes, you can see our test cases passed here, and now it's time to submit the code on the LeetCode. Check if all cases are passed or not. As you can see, our all test cases passed here. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.